How to turn on or off RCS messaging on your Android phone. So if you want to turn on or turn off the RCS messaging on your Android phone, then let's start. First of all, what is RCS? So RCS means Rich Communication Service. So if you turn on RCS message, then you can easily send high quality pictures or large attachments on SMS to other person. But in SMS, you cannot do that. So if you want to turn it on or turn it off, then you just need to simply open up your messages application. So open up your messages, and here you need to go for the profile, which is on the upper right, and here you need to go for settings if you have the settings. Tap on message settings. Once you're on the message settings, now you will have this kind of interface where on the first you will have RCS chats. So if you have that RCS, you need to simply tap on RCS chats, and here if you want to turn that on, then simply turn that on. But if you want to turn that off, toggle off that button and tap on turn off, and your RCS chat will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off your RCS messaging on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.